The FortiFone app for Microsoft Teams integrates high-quality and secure calls with your FortiVoice extension within Microsoft Teams. This video will show you how to install the FortiFone app for Microsoft Teams and how to access the feature of your FortiVoice extension. To begin, first install the FortiFone app by selecting the Apps section, click on Search, and type in FortiFone. Select FortiFone, and then Add. The first time that you log in, you will need to provide the login information sent to you from your FortiVoice administrator. This will include your user ID, the FortiVoice server address and port, as well as your password. Now that you're logged in, select the Plugin Disconnected icon in the upper left and select Connect Plugin. Next, download the FortiFone installer. This will install the FortiFone plugin necessary to operate with Microsoft Teams. Once the installation is complete, close this window. The plugin is now connected, and your FortiFone extension is ready to use within Microsoft Teams. Let's take a look at the available features of your FortiFone extension. The Call tab is where you can place calls, view your call history, listen to voicemail, and call recordings. To place a call, simply enter the number or name of a contact, then select the dial button. The call is placed within a pop-up window, giving you full control over the call. When receiving a call notification pops up displaying the caller ID and options for how you would like to handle the call. Answering the call will also bring up the call control window. The Contact tab displays your personal contacts as well as the business directory and company directory. Your favorite contacts are displayed and easily accessible on the left-hand side. Calling a contact is as easy as clicking on the call icon within the contact card. The Account tab is where you can configure preferences for calls and notifications, as well as configuring call handling for your incoming calls. That wraps it up for today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.